Good afternoon, family. Today is Sunday. I have visitors, which are my kids, my sons. They're here to help me do my second harvest with the red potatoes. I got this from Homestead to plant it in the box, and I want to thank them. I watch them quite often, and here we go to harvest my second harvest for the season. And I'm going to start by cutting the leaves off. See, they're ready. Take a good look at to show you that they're ready. See how so it's been about 90 days, so it's time for us to harvest. Let's see, I'm going to start by cutting these off. And as I learned from Home Head Start, we don't keep the potato leaves, all of that, and it doesn't go in the compost. So I'm gonna have my oldest son come in, and he's gonna attempt to pull the potatoes out. Try this one.
Up and out?
Yeah. Okay, so it's not gonna do it that way. So he's gonna pick it up and put it in the dirt.
All right.
And dump the box over. And let's see if we got a harvest of some sort. Oh, okay. So we want to break up the dirt. Be careful because you don't want to hurt the potatoes. So now let's
try to make sure when you grab it, make sure you don't peel the skin off.
Okay. And right now we just see little potatoes. Oh, the other harvest was a little big. I don't know what I did right. I don't know what I did wrong.
Okay. Look at that. There we go.
Oh, here's one. Here's some on this. Here's the nice size one. Is that ripped? Yeah, see, this one is ripped. We're going to have to cook that tonight. There's another size one. Well, these could be baby tarts. Potato, what do you call tarts?
Yeah. Tots. Potato tots, yep.
Maybe I needed more nutrients. I sure have a lot of worms in here, that's for sure. So the bag, here's
there we
another
go.
one.
Look at you. Found another one. Good.
The worms are good for the garden.
Okay.
And here's some more potato tot ones.
Let me see that.
I don't know, maybe I need to put more nitrogen in it next time. More blood meal. I don't think I put in the blood meal in this one. So I'm gonna do another one. See these little tiny ones?
Look at that. I didn't even know.
That they could come out that little?
Yeah, I mean, obviously it got to start somewhere, but it's cool to see where, how big they can actually get.
I know I have a lot of worms in there now. That's one thing. Josh, check that area.
Okay. We don't take L's, we learn from it, so that's fine. This is gonna be the harvest for now. We'll go from the next one.
Thanks for watching.